take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance?
I thought this morning we would try out this instant coffee that tastes good. It actually tastes good, it says. We'll see if it's true or not. Got a Emma who says she's cold. It's a nice sunrise though. Look at that. Everybody else is still sleeping. Oh, I think I see a dad.
I cracked a cascarone on Dad's head.
A cascarone. What's a cascarone? Tell everybody that doesn't know.
It's a confetti egg.
Are you confettied?
I am confetti.
Happy Easter.
You better run.
I don't have to run. You better run.
This is a cascarone. So what you do is,
Nope.
Yeah, you definitely have to crack it in your hand first. Otherwise, it's going to hurt somebody.
Happy Easter.
Yeah. Wow, they filled that one up. Like, it's all over the ground and it's all in my hair.
Yeah, it's really stuck in your hair. Made some yummy breakfast and headed on over to the park. We've been sitting in line waiting to get in
35 minutes.
for 35 minutes now. I guess Easter Sunday was the day for all the Jeeps in the world to come here because we're in a long line of Jeeps, probably going off-roading just like we are. Hopefully we don't have to sit in line waiting for them while we're on the trails as well. It's a big park though, so fingers crossed. At some point we'll have to check in for our second campsite that we got. This one is actually inside the park on Telephone Loop in the backcountry. So this will be another very secluded place to camp. That'll be really nice. Okay, well, we're almost in now, and let's go see what fun we can find.
Yeah, be a good day.
It's gonna be a great day. Daddy's excited. This is what he's been wanting with his new off-roading truck.
Taco.
His taco truck to go off-roading. Gonna go off the roads, in the dirt.
In the dirt. Stopped on the side of the road, and Caleb found a rock that he likes.
It's green. It's green. Maybe it's a type of serpentine. And I'm going to go ahead and make some lunch
next to the Black Gap Trail here. We just decided for today we were gonna do sandwiches, make it easy. So let's go ahead and make our foods.
Mama's making lunch. Autumn's eating lunch.
They're sitting in there.
We're on a rock eating lunch. What do y'all say? Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
You want pickles?
Yes, please.
A pickles.
Como se dice pickles?
No.
Uno.
It's como se dice.
Dice.
Not ceviche. Ceviche. Okay, here's your sandwich.
What you drinking?
Local delicacy.
Bang. Not sponsored yet.
What? There's 6 holes in my cookie.
There's 6 holes.
It's a holy cookie for a holy holiday.
Gotta get my low carb bread. The key is to grab it from the middle of the stack. They're nice and sun warmed too. Because it's 100 degrees out here almost. It doesn't feel that bad though. I could handle this 100 degrees, not hours.
There's no humidity. The feels like is the temperature.
Yeah.
We're so high up.
Do we have everything in the back still?
Nothing fell
Why don't you stop for a second and just check the back?
Can I go down?
No.
No?
Nothing's on the road. Look,
Here, stick that in there. It's a long way down, ladies. Don't get out that door. You might fall down. It drops off right there.
if I was still
Right there. My footsteps dented.
Yeah.
Here.
Zip.
So, can I still step on it?
I was breathing a little hard there.
Daddy was completely freaking out. He was like, ah, we're gonna die.
Hang on, my dog. He was?
Yeah.
From outside, didn't look that bad. It looks cool though. Ready, set, go!
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same.
Well, we finished up at Black Gap Trail, and then we went to the visitor center at, what was that one?
Rio Grande Village.
Rio Grande Village, and it's a very hot 102 degrees. We, as you can tell, are going down another very bumpy road. We're going to our campsite at Telephone Canyon. We've been driving down Old Ore Road for about 45 minutes, and we have another 20-ish minutes to go down this road to get to our campsite in Telephone Canyon for the night. It is really cool though. It's neat to just go so far away from like any civilization and just pitch a tent, stay the night. It's definitely gonna be dark out here. There's not gonna be any light pollution, so that'll be really cool, especially for Autumn and her telescope. So once we arrive, we'll set up camp and stay our last night camping for our little Big Bend adventure in Big Bend Park for the first time. Yeah, so going through some big, deep hole creek beds now. Well, the family went off to go hiking for a little bit while I made dinner, and I made a nice big pot of chili so everybody could have a nice hearty meal. The temperature has cooled off quite a bit. We're getting lots of big gusts of wind coming through this canyon area, which is kind of a lot. The tents are like blowing really hard. I had to lower the back of the camp stove because it tried to like pull the camp stove off when I was cooking. So I was like,
So we'll have to definitely really like attach a lot of things and put things away tonight when we're sleeping, so that way we don't have any crazy disasters happening. The temperature feels great. It feels nice. The breeze feels good. Without the breeze, it would probably be a little bit hot, but it's just really nice. Very comfortable, super secluded. I just had to honk the horn for to call everybody back here because I don't really know where they're at, but hopefully they heard me. We are getting a lot of little wasps and bees flying around, but that's kind of debating. Oh, here comes the big gust. I'm sure you can hear it. Just suddenly just blows everything, and then it stops for a second and gets quiet again. It's kind of odd how that keeps happening, but it's nice. Anyways, hopefully